While not known for pretty water, Crossbar Ranch is known to have some really cool waterfalls to climb up, but not so much today. So nope, as you can see, absolutely zero water on the waterfalls. You see, southern Oklahoma here is in pretty much the same shape as the rest of the state of Texas is in. Well, we have had no significant rainfall, so all the creeks and rivers around here are pretty much totally dried up. But it does give some pretty unbelievable grip, that is for sure. And well, it just makes a whole different dynamic. Bad part about it is the waterfall is kind of a giveaway onto where you actually need to place your tires. You see, you simply place your tires to where the water is coming off the ledges. But today, we didn't have that little bit of a cheat method. But we did have a different cheat method in the fact that we can actually see what we're driving up now rather than it being covered over by water. So, it did offer a little bit of a different challenge. Now, occasionally in the background, you're going to hear some radio chitter-chatter going on. Now, that's just Josh and Corey and Mike and all the rest of the guys that are over there on screen door. And, well, with it being so dry, there is a ton of grip. Now, that is a pretty challenging obstacle to go up. So, they're going to make it or break it up it today. It's like a totally different world now driving through the dry creek bed. When I have to think back that just barely over a month ago, again, just barren, hot, blazing rock. It's just so hard to imagine. But in one way, it's really cool again because, like I say, we actually get to see what we've been driving over this whole entire time. So, like I say, it's not that it's known for its pretty waterfalls, but nonetheless, they are waterfalls, and it definitely offers a super unique challenge when you try to go up these things because of just how wet, muddy, and slippery they really are. But not today, because we can actually see everything that we're driving over here, and normally all the rock right here is covered in water. So, you never really know what your tire's on or what's underneath you. But today, a whole new perspective. We can simply make our way up here. We're going to get the Jeep positioned just right. And with all this grip there is today, we are going to drive right up this sucker here in just a minute.
Hey, come back up. No, go back.
You did it!
That waterfall.
But secretly, I will admit, I kind of miss the water. Hey guys, I'm going to have to take a minute here and have to apologize to each and every one of you personally out there. You see, we have had so much work going on and just the jobs have been getting to us and our daily lives, and we have a ton of video here that has been needing editing and getting done and put up. And again, hey, my videos are no world-class productions here as we are privately funded and I do not have a professional videographer. But nevertheless, I have slipped on thanking all of you guys out there, our subscribers, for helping to make this possible. And I just didn't want to let it go by without letting you know just how special you are really to us. So I'm going to try to get caught up. Please forgive me. I will get around to everybody and thank you. It just takes a lot of time. And like I say, this is a ton of work to do these videos. So don't give up on us. There is a lot more to come. I really do appreciate each of you guys taking the time to subscribe and helping us try to figure out this crazy algorithm called YouTube.